Hello, good morning. I will explain about my proposal. The proposal is teaching students vocabulary by using student method of the 7 years student of SMP. On in this slide, explain that vocabulary is a basic competency that can be achieved by students to get competencies in other skills such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking. One method for developing student vocabulary is playing games. According to Ellis and Brewster, 2002 states that the game is not only motivation and enjoyable but can also provide excellent training to improve pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and foreign language skills. Playing games is considered very adds to the elements of pleasure and relaxation in vocabulary training. Okay, the next slide explain about statement of the problem based. On the previous background, the research formulate the problem research question as follows: to what improve student vocabulary of the second years at SMP and Enugu. The formulation of the problem that the research submit in this study is as follows. 1. What types of vocabulary are there is in use spelling bee game? The second, what types of vocabulary are dominantly used in spelling bee games? The next, what problems are incurred by the second year student in spelling bee games? The next, objective of the study. The specific objective of this research was to find out the improvement of the students' vocabulary after using the spelling bee game in the second years at the middle school. Based on the above statement, the study aims to know the types of vocabulary in spelling bee games, to know the types of vocabulary which are the dominantly found in spelling bee games, to know the problem encouraged by the second year student in spelling bee games. Okay, the next slide. Reviews of literature, review of related literature. The writer reviews some supporting the theories from experts who are relevant to the study. He hopes that this review can be help him to reach this review. The aim of this study and the reader to understand the substance of this study and realize how important the teacher interaction is the effect of student attitudes. 1. Previous study. 2. Study definition of vocabulary. 3. Types of vocabulary. 4. Part of vocabulary. 5. Function of vocabulary. 6. Teaching and learning vocabulary. 7. Students need to know about vocabulary. Definition of spelling bee game. Application spelling bee game. And theoretical framework. And the next slide, research method. In this chapter, the research discusses about research design, subject of the study, instrument, procedure of data collection, and technique of data analysis. The first, research design. And the next, population. And third, sample. And the next, technique of analysis.